I'm Natalie from top10.com. We're here to help make your decisions easier. Let's talk about Sunbasket. As the name might have clued you into, Sunbasket is an organic meal kit delivery service that's possibly got the best variety of meals, plans, and menus on the market. Chef-designed meals are based on the clean eating premise, and ingredients are sustainable and delicious. In terms of meal plans, there's almost no diet that this service doesn't offer. Meals range from chef specialties to kid-friendly foods, covering breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Sunbasket uses fresh fruits and vegetables, milk products, eggs, and yogurt. Meat is antibiotic-free, raised respectfully, and responsibly sourced and raised. And fish is sustainably caught. Sunbasket is excellent if you're looking for all organic ingredients, plenty of variety, and good customization from your meal kits. Plus, Sunbasket has a great range of cooking levels, from pop and munch to test your culinary skills. Catering to nearly any diet, Sunbasket is a great option for most people. I hope this video helped you decide whether Sunbasket is the right meal delivery service for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.